Today, we're diving into the world of Adobe Apps for Android. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or someone who frequently deals with PDFs, Adobe offers powerful tools right at your fingertips. Let's get started. Adobe Photoshop Express. Adobe Photoshop Express is a powerful photo editing app designed for mobile users. It offers a wide array of tools for quickly enhancing images, including cropping, straightening, rotating, and adjusting brightness and contrast. Users can access a variety of filters and effects to transform their photos, as well as options for removing blemishes and applying custom overlays. The app also supports raw image formats, making it suitable for both amateur and professional photographers who want to perform edits on the go. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, ensuring that even beginners can achieve stunning results with minimal effort. Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is a comprehensive photo editing and organization app tailored for photographers and enthusiasts. It provides advanced tools for editing images, including exposure adjustments, color correction, and the ability to fine-tune specific areas of a photo using selective editing features. Lightroom also includes powerful presets that help users achieve specific looks with just one tap. Additionally, it offers cloud sync, allowing users to access their images and edits across multiple devices. This app is particularly appealing for those who want a professional-grade solution for managing and editing their photo library while on the move. Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is a versatile PDF management app that enables users to create, edit, and sign PDF documents on their Android devices. It allows for easy merging of files, annotating PDFs with comments and highlights, and filling out forms electronically. The app also supports document scanning, converting images into PDFs with high quality. Additionally, users can apply password protection and permissions to their documents for enhanced security. Its collaborative features make it easy to share files and gather feedback from others, making Adobe Acrobat an essential tool for business professionals, students, and anyone who frequently works with digital documents. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Adobe Photoshop Express, Adobe Lightroom, and Adobe Acrobat has highlighted how these apps can enhance your mobile experience. See you next time.